is the house for the weekend. Here's the cabin. Super nice. Look at the house. Here's the house. Super nice. Outside view right here. Little stairs. Let's see. There's the car. This is gonna be our view for the next 3 days. Also guys, I forgot to show y'all out here. This part of the patio, like this small little patio, there's a small little stand right there. And everything, tables and everything to chill. It's gonna be nice. And our view's gonna be right here. Well, this is part of our view right here. And then we go upstairs. Let's see. It's gonna be nice. A lot of steps. Here's part of our view too. And here's our view for this weekend. This is gonna be our view for the next 3 days. It's gonna be nice. It's gonna be super nice. Alright guys, so we're back. It's the next day right now. So we all decided to come to Anna Ruby Falls. We came with the family and everything. We're about to go, we're walking up the trail right now. I'll keep you updated when we get over there. Alright? Yeah, super nice. So far it's like this. Super nice. So we're almost there. The view's over there, the waterfall's over there. Alright guys, we're almost there. We're going on the last step right here. So peaceful out here, so peaceful. Now we're on our way back to the cabin that we were. Super nice. Alright guys, right now we're about to play some ping pong. Let's see who's better. Oh snap.
Boy, if you don't get...
Let's go, 1, 2, 3. One zero. Okay. No. You guys see that? Alright, brother, he got lucky. 1-1. Ooh, 5-5. How about 6-5. Score. Oh, 6-5. That was a good one. Next seven. Nine fives. 7-5. I already won 11. Alright guys, it's the last day here. We're about to leave right now. But it was a great time here at the cabin right here. It's super nice here. Super nice. We enjoyed our time and everything. Super nice. So we're getting out right now. We're about to leave right now. We're about to take off back home. But the weekend here was super nice. We enjoyed our time here. We had fun with the family and everything, with friends that we came along with. It was super fun. Before going home, we all decided to come to a small town here in Helen to go around and walk around and stuff. It's super nice. It's not as busy as usual, but it's still nice. It's still nice. And please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.